Hello guys, in this tutorial I will be showing us this, how to install binary option or forest indicators on MT5 and MT4. Don't forget, in the part 3 we discussed about how to download MT4 and MT5, and actually in the part 1 we talked about how to trade binary option as a newbie. In part 2, we talk about how to register an account with a binary broker. In part 3, we talk about how to download MT4 and MT5. Now, we want to talk about how to install indicators and templates on the MT4 and MT5 you have downloaded from your brokers. Now, let's go. First and foremost, you have to open what is known as your MT4. You have to launch your MT4. You have to launch it and open it. Now, I've opened my binary option. My MT4. Yeah. So now, let me quickly make an overview. When you click on File or View, click on View of your MT4. Once you click on View, click on Market. You can see the currency pair. Click on View. You then click on Navigator. You'll be able to see the custom indicators. These are both the custom indicators and the indicators that came with the broker. Okay? This. So in this case now, what I'll be doing is the currency pair you want to trade. Look at it here. Just right click anyone. This is Euro USD. You right click and you click on chart window. It will appear this way. This is 1 hour time frame. You have to set it to the time frame you want. I'm taking it back to 5 minutes time frame. So this is how it is. Okay. So now, if you want to install, this is what you just have to make sure you click on the file. Look at the file. You click on open data folder. Once you click on open data folder, you will click on MQL4 as in double click. Click it 2 times. MQL4. You see this indicators folder? Right click it and you click on open or double click it. It will be opened. So this is the place you will always copy and paste the indicators you want to trade with. This is where you will paste it in. Then here is experts. So when you open it, you double click and open. This is the place where you will actually copy and paste your expert advisors in case you want to trade with EA, be it Forex EA or binary options EA. Okay, some indicators also will give you something known as libraries. You double click the library and you paste it here. Don't be carried away, don't be confused. Just know that you will click on the file of your MT4, you will click on open data folder, you will double click on MQL4, you will click on indicators. Now let us go. I will be giving you an indicator for free, and this is the indicator here. That is why I put it this way: indicators and templates. In the indicator, under the bottom of this lecture, double click it, copy these 2 indicators. They are just ATM for FBW and this WT underscore relay. So just copy it. Okay, once you copy it, as I've told you, you copy your indicator and you paste it in your indicator file. So you go to, make sure you have already copied it as I did now. You see, I right click, I copy the indicator, I went to my MT4, I click on File, I double click on Open Data Folder, then I will double click on MQL4. Then on this indicator, I left click once. I can either double click and open, but I don't want to open it because I have a lot of indicator in there. So I will right click on it and I will paste. But look at, because I already have it inside before, it will ask me to replace the file. I will say replace. This is how to install indicators, just simple. Then you go to the templates, open your template. This very template I'm giving you, I will only send you one template, which is ATM for FBW arrow. Copy it. Once you copy it, so you go back, you know, remember you are at the MQL4 here. Click on your MQL4 up here. You are here, so you can go back and click on this long right up here, or you click on back button, this arrow. Then it takes you back to where the template is. This is the template folder of your MT4. Double click it and paste. Now you have pasted. You can close everything now. Okay. Then you can close your MT4, or you just leave your MT4 that way. Once you leave your MT4 that way, all you need to do is to right click anywhere here, anywhere on this MT4, this place, this indicators list here. Right click anywhere here and click on refresh. It will show you refresh. Once you right click, click on refresh, or you close it completely. When I mean completely, you exit, you close completely. You exit this MT4 completely, you close it, then you reopen it. Once you reopen it, go to your template and select that template that you just installed. Just that. See that? In case it doesn't appear the way you want it, maybe some indicators will not appear. All you need to do is to locate the indicator you just installed under your navigator. Locate it and select it one like this. You can click on it, you right click and you drag it to the chart. You release your hand. You see it? You go to the common. Make sure you allow DLL import. You go to the input. You may not have to do anything here. Okay, you may not have to do anything after the comma. Just click your OK. It will work. So this is just a video on how to install template and what an indicator. I'll be making a video tutorial on how to use this trading system, but in the case of MT5 it is quite different. Let me quickly put you through. So this is my MT5 platform. The process of the installation of indicators into MT4 is slightly different from that of the MT5. These are the differences. Let us assume that you have the indicators, MT5 indicators. What you need to do is also go to File, click on Open Data Folder. Remember in MT4, we clicked on MQL4, but in this case, we will be double clicking on MQL5. Also, remember in MT4, we clicked on indicator, we just pasted it. The same thing is applicable here. Okay, just copy it and paste. The same thing with MT4 and MT5 when indicators are concerned. But when it comes to templates, it's quite different slightly. Now let's go back. When it is template, this is what you will do. When you are on MQ5, remember in MT4, you click on template, but in MQ5, you click on profiles. Double click on profiles. Sorry. Could it be MQL5? You still have to click on the same MQL5. Then you now click on profiles here. When you click on profiles, you will see the template. You will copy and paste the template into this templates MQL5. Okay, remember your template is inside the profile of MQL5 when you are dealing with MT4. When you are dealing with MT5. But in MT4, it's not like that. In MT4, it's just file, open data folder. If you then you see template direct if it's MT4. But if it is in MT5, it's different. You click on file, you click on open data folder, then you click on MQL5. You open it, you click on profiles, then you now see the templates. You can see that is just a little logic there. Okay, it's as simple as ABC. And when you are to look at the template you have installed on your MT5, you have to click on the chart. You right click on the chart. Once you right click on the chart, you are going to see where to click on template to click on. Unlike the MT4, you got to see it somewhere up here. But in MT4, if you want to access the template, you just come here straight and you access the template. But in MT5, you have to right click on this chart and you look at the templates and you just do what you put it. Okay, just that, as simple as ABC. As I've told you, I'm going to be teaching you how to make use of this trading system that I sent to you, and that is going to be in the next video. Once again, welcome to my channel. Odeyemi Akinyemi is my name. Kindly subscribe if you have not subscribed, and go to the description, click on the forum as a newbie or as an expert to get the free indicators that are available on the forum. Thank you and God bless you.